this is the SM99 here, and I'm sorry that I haven't really made a video lately. It's because I've had issues with my recording software, but the biggest reason is because I had to reinstall Windows 8 because it was giving me issues, and when I reinstalled it, it completely broke. Everything broke, and it took a long time to get that fixed. Yeah, we're going to be continuing the Making an Adventure Map series. Today we're going to be working on the menu. I'm going to try and make this series a lot less edited. I want to make this a complete hands-on series. Tell me if you like the new sort of approach to it. So, I did actually, finish it in the last episode, but it didn't actually record my mic on anything. So we're going to start completely from fresh. No redstone. I guess that doesn't really qualify since it's just a light. But no redstone. None of this. And by less edited, I mean it's going to be shot all in one take. So there'll still be cuts here and there, but you'll basically be able to see everything I'm doing. So basically this is what the main portion of the menu is going to look like. So you've got a button for difficulty settings and for a start map setting. This is what the secondary one looks like. So you've got a back button and easy, medium, and hard. And it is turning night. I was just too lazy to do it before. So, command blocks. We are going to be using these a lot in this episode. So, if you don't feel comfortable with that, it's going to be really easy. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with the first menu. Over here, we've got the start map and difficulty settings. So, you're going to want to get a pad of paper. Let me just get one here. Alright, so I'm back. I've got a pen and a pad of paper. It's a lot easier for me because whenever I tab out of Minecraft, for some reason it just crashes. So, yeah, there's that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to write down coordinates. So you're going to press F3, and we're going to write down our coordinates, not the dot, whatever, just the first number is fine. So now that we've got our coordinates, I'm going to set up this little start map button. Now, something that I changed my mind on in one of the failed recordings is that I sort of want this to be a horror map. So I think I'm going to go with that. So a fun way to add a lot of creepiness to the map, I guess, is to do something like this. And just put random intervals. And I'm back, sorry. And then just hook it up with redstone. And we're just going to create a little clock here. We're just going to... Whoop. Just put everything on the sort of last tick. And then hook up the redstone here so that we get this cool effect. Yeah. So you can still see what you're doing sometimes, but it'll be pretty cool for effect. Alright, so we're going to hook up our start map button, which is right here. Alright, I'm back, so I did the first one wrong, so I'll just cut that out and put it in bloopers or something. So, you want to put down a little block right at our start menu, and a repeater on top, and you want to put a block right on the repeater, and 2 command blocks like this. I'm going to be triggering an effect and a teleportation to the start room. So, we're going to type TP at P and that teleports the nearest player. Since this is a single player map, it wouldn't really matter, but it just sort of works. And then the coordinates of your start room for the map. So mine is 171, 5, 10, 22. I want to give the effect of blindness. So I'm going to type. Alright, I'm going to type for my effect at P 15 9999, and that's going to set it for infinite. It's going to be an infinite amount of blindness. So if we test this out really quick, as you can see, I've got blindness, and it is everlasting. It is forever until we take it away. So as you can see, this adds a new level of sort of creepiness to this map. So what's the next thing we do? Well, we drink milk to get rid of the potion. And I'm just going to really quick fly out of here. Yeah. And we'll fly out. And I actually want a slowness effect as well. So what I'm going to do is put one on the side, and I'm going to type effect at P 29999. Okay, so I know what the issue is. It was actually, I can choose whatever level I want, and it was actually going at level 0. So we're going to put level 4 and see how that works out. Oh yeah, and also, if you don't want the command blocks to say, like, give an effect so-and-so to whatever your username is, you type /game rule command in lowercase, lock with a capital B, and output with a capital O, command block output, and then false. And as you can see, now it's not going to say what's happening. So, let's go ahead and try this out. Oh yeah, this is cool. I don't like the FOV effects, but I guess that's something I'm going to have to live with. So yeah, I'm liking this. This is cool. It's definitely giving it a creepy effect. There are the particles, which is kind of annoying, but, you know. What can you do? So, that is the first part of our menu complete. Now we're going to work on the second part. Alright, so now we're going to load the difficulty settings menu. So what we're going to do is we're going to place a command block right here, because we don't have to power multiple at once. We're just going to place one right here and type TP at P, and then the name or the coordinates of our second room, so 165.5.995. Alright, so now if we press this, we will be teleported into the second room. So back will basically teleport us to our start room, which is this. So it's right there. TP at P 171.5.996. So now you got this cool little interactive menu thing going on. And I think I'm gonna make the lighting thing on the top of this as well. Alright, so I got the light working as well. So that's cool. Yeah. It's slightly different than the other light to give a sort of a different effect to make it feel like you're truly in a second room. So we're going to set up our options menu now, which is changing the difficulty from easy, medium, and hard. So, oh, redstone. Give me that redstone. Alright, so our buttons should be on the little circly blocks. Yes, they are. So we're going to do the same sort of general idea as that huge cluster. And we're going to set up repeaters and blocks and 2 command blocks on each block. The first one should be easy, so we're going to type, say, difficulty set to easy. Alright, so the commands down here, we're going to type difficulty easy, and that's it, basically. So let's not finish that. Difficulty medium, difficulty hard. So, yeah, that sets the difficulty. So if we hit easy, it'll say difficulty set to easy, and it actually sets the difficulty to easy. But while we're working on it, we want it to be peaceful so that we don't get annoying slimes. Alright, so that's basically our menu system done. So if we just cover this up, well, we need to get into one. Now we've got start map and difficulty settings, and we can set the difficulty settings from here, and then hit back, and then start map, and it starts the map. This is cool. Awesome. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, give a dislike. Subscribe to see more content from me. Thank you for watching once again.